Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Studios, care of Bad Beast Barbecue. Okay, so Bad Beast Studios is going to be a playlist that we add to our Bad Beast barbecue channel to go over stuff that is not barbecue related, but still within the realm of the stuff that I like to do, like sit outside, smoke, drink whiskey, music, electronics, and so forth and so on. Okay, so what we're going to talk about today is this little device right here. Okay, I am a person that's hard to buy Christmas presents for. My wife tells me that every year. Okay, but this time she hit the nail on the head. Okay, I love being outside all the time. I have a little 32-inch screen TV with a Roku hooked up to it that I take out there, sit on the table, or hang up in my barbecue shack and watch TV when the weather's nice. And we got to run power cords and stuff like that, and sometimes it's a pain to set up. This little jewel here, man, definitely makes things a lot easier. Okay, this is the Monster Vision 2 Bluetooth speaker with a built-in LCD TV screen. Okay, so the TV screen on this here is like 15 inches, 15.6 inches. Okay, and this is suitable for backyard camping, tailgating, out in the park, whatever you want to do outdoors. This bad boy can help you improve the entertainment of the area. Okay, the screen has a 10 by 80 p resolution and a refresh rate of 60 megahertz. Okay, the entire thing weighs about 24 pounds, and the dimensions is 17 inches by 9 by 18. Okay, so it's not that heavy. It's really light, but it is built sturdy. Okay, so and it's supposed to be waterproof. So I don't know if I'm ever get a chance to test the waterproof. I don't like leaving my electronics out in the water, but this here is supposed to be waterproof as well. Okay, so what comes with this bad boy? Okay, so besides the unit itself, okay, you get this HDMI cable that you can hook up to your phone. I have a Samsung, so the Samsung DEX option comes up, and you're able to control the arrow on the screen and activate apps and things of that nature from your phone on the Vision 2. It also comes with an antenna. So if you're out there somewhere and you don't have Wi-Fi hookup, but you want to try to catch some TV channels, okay, it has an antenna. We did run the antenna, and was able to catch about 11 local channels, and it works just fine. So if you're out in the park or you don't have Wi-Fi connection, then you can go this route and catch some television. All right. It also came with an extra USB cable, and so this will be interesting to see what we can use this for. And of course, it comes with a case to keep all of this stuff in. All right, and it comes with a power cord. Now you like say, well, how's this thing running without a power cord? Well, this thing charges up and can play supposedly up to 8 hours without being plugged up. Okay, so it's got a battery in it. It charges up, so it takes up to 6 hours. So from a dead battery to charge fully and stuff, and then you can play it outside or do whatever without it being plugged up. And it also has a DC connection to it as well if you have to charge it from your car or power it from your car as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the back of it, see some of the connections, and I'll show you some of the features of it and tell you what I think about it, because so far I love this little thing. Okay, guys, so this is the back of the Monster Vision 2, okay, and it has a door here that snaps closed, and within this door is your connections. Okay, so I'll open this up here. Now, currently, right now, I have my Roku stick plugged up in it, but this has two HDMI connections. It has a USB connection, and it also has a cable connection that you would use to connect your antenna to. All right, so right now I have my Roku plugged up into one of the HDMI connections. All right, and of course these things, the Roku sticks, need power. On the front of here is a powered USB port that you would plug this in to charge your phone or to, like I said, power a Roku. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Okay, and so the Roku is getting power now. We'll go ahead and show you the Roku working on the front. Okay. All right, so the Monster Vision 2 did come with a remote, so it helps you control everything, but you can control everything from the control panel up here on top as well, okay? So we're gonna switch this over to HDMI 2, to our HDMI 2 connection. And there you go. You see we have the Roku running, and like I said, the Roku is connected to my Wi-Fi in the house. So as long as I'm outside on the back patio, what have you, connected to the Wi-Fi, whatever, I'm able to use my Roku, okay? And this does work. Here's the Roku remote, okay? And there it goes. So we can do YouTube or Pluto or whatever we want to do, or any one of the apps that are on Roku. We can play it and use the screen. Okay, so we can go check out Bad Beast Barbecue channel. Okay, all right. Let's just pull up one of my videos right quick, and I'll show you play. Okay, and so as you can see, that bumped the temperature. No problem at all. Trying to get it to install and to get it to 180 degrees. The volume controller's up here on the top, so you can control the volume from either the remote or from the knob here on the top. All right, so but got a great picture on this thing. So I sat outside last couple of days and watched some football while I was smoking a cigar. So all right, so let me go show you a couple of other features. All right, guys, so with the USB feature, you stick a USB card in, not card, but a USB stick back here in the opening where I showed you where they had the 2 HDMI connections as well, okay? And you get this menu that comes up here, all right? So on our USB stick, we have some photos. So we can go and do a little slideshow if we wanted to. There you go. So you can sit here and do slideshow outside, showing pictures and stuff like that. You can adjust the speed, and you can do it one picture at a time or what have you, okay? We'll go back to the card and go back to the main menu, and then we'll go over to music. And I have some of some royalty-free music from Epidemic Sound on here. So you can play music if you got music on your USB stick or what have you. So it's pretty nice. You can also Bluetooth from your phone to play music as well, okay? So let me stop this. All right, guys, so what other features does this little beauty have? Okay, like I said, it has a rechargeable battery, okay? It's supposed to last up to 8 hours of video playback, all right? And it's supposed to last up to 25 hours of audio playback. Now, I haven't had an opportunity to test that yet, but we will put it through its paces over the next few weeks, and then we'll do a follow-up video on this to let you guys know how it's working out, okay? I went on Amazon and I did look at some of the reviews of this. Some people didn't like it. Some people were having problems with the battery not charging. Some people were having problems with things not working properly. So far, everything that it's supposed to do is doing for me. I don't know if that's over a period of time or what have you, but understand that this only comes with a 1-year warranty, so take that for what it's worth, okay? It also has a microphone input, okay, and it has a headphone input or jack on the top of it, so you can listen to your headphones and watch TV if you don't want to disturb anybody, or you can use this as kind of a speaker, an announcement at certain events. Put the microphone in it and you can talk, and and people can hear what you're saying over the speaker, okay? I think this speaker here is like 60 watts of output, so it's plenty enough for me around the patio and what have you to watch TV or listen to music or what have you. So I am loving this thing here, okay? So once again, like I said, we'll do a follow-up video in 6 months to see how this thing actually works out, okay? Let me know if you like these type of videos. Like I said, we want to do some videos other than those that are cooking, but still has something to do with being outside, being outdoors, sitting around the smoker or what have you. Things to make your life a little bit easier. Okay, so once again, this is a Bad Beast Studio video, care of Bad Beast Barbecue. Okay, so hey, do us a favor, like the video, comment on the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It'll definitely help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, and that's about it. So hey, like we always say, where there's smoke there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there, or a monster Vision 2 Bluetooth speaker putting some good sounds and some tunes out for your next barbecue party. Hey guys, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.